Hi friends, welcome. So today's video is going to be extra special as I am about to unbox my most favorite earbuds and later I will review them also. These are Soundpeats Capsule 3 Pro transparent. So wait a bit now, it's very important to give you some introduction before unboxing and review. This earbud was launched by Soundpeats long ago and it proved to be so much successful that they launched them again, but this time transparent them. And I have here the transparent version, and those who are regular viewers of my channel will know that how much I love transparent products. And here are its specifications, which are really looking good. So now let's unbox it. So let me share my first impressions with you guys. So as you have seen the unboxing, we get one USB type C cable, some ear tips, and some manual reading as well. And here is our Soundpeats Capsule 3 Pro transparent, which is looking absolutely beautiful. I don't have words to describe it, that how amazing looking these are. So you can see that it is fully transparent, and you can see this 500 mAh battery here. And when you open the lid, just take out the earbuds and you can see everything in them. So like it's very futuristic, everything you can see inside them, and it looks very fantastic. Look wise, they are absolutely top class. And I have seen these type of earbuds before. I think it was Beats Studio Buds, but they were expensive, and it is budget. And just look at the earbuds itself. They are absolutely beautiful looking, and I loved them. This golden thing is looking absolutely beautiful in them. So like they have a combination of transparent and some goldenish color as well, which is like adding more beauty to them. So they have actually a black color as well, like black transparent and white transparent. So I choose the white transparent. I think they are much more beautiful. And here on the box you can read all its specifications, which are very good, especially its battery. I think it will easily charge 5 times. So let's see how does it perform. So now I'm going to use them, and we'll come back with a review. Hi friends, welcome to my review section. I am reviewing this after using it for 2 weeks, and now I will try to complete my review very quickly and deliver the most important points to you. Let's begin with its fit and comfort level. They fit very easily and are very comfortable, no problems at all. And now if I talk about its sound quality, it is very balanced sounding earbud, commonly known as all-rounder. It has an all-round performance. This means I do not need to go into the technicalities here because the outcome has already been declared. It's the best option for everyone. So if you want to get an all-round earbud where you can have good music and good vocal videos and use it for various other purposes, then this is a great option. But if your main purpose is only music, like absolutely bass boosted and high volumes, then this is not for you. Then I would recommend you the Soundpeats Air 4 Pro, because it's the best earbud for music, like a bassy earbud. But you have to remember one thing must. The Soundpeats Air 4 Pro is only for music and nothing else. You will not like the non-music videos at all. While here in Capsule 3 Pro, you can enjoy both non-music videos and music both. But Capsule 3 Pro music taste isn't good as Air 4 Pro, and that's a fact. But if I don't compare it with Air 4 Pro, it's very good in its own way. It's very amazing. So I think now you do not need to know much more, because I have explained everything to you in very simple words. Now let's discuss the other topics like ANC, battery timing, Bluetooth connectivity, controls and microphone. The ANC mode is very good, working fine. I don't see any problem with it. It is absolutely best performing for its price. As far as battery timing goes, it's also very good. I watched videos continuously for 7 hours using Capsule 3 Pro. So this means if you use it normally, you will get 1 day in it. As far as its Bluetooth connectivity is concerned, it connects very fast and there are no disconnectivity issues whatsoever. And the touch controls of Soundpeats earbuds are always very good, and here in Capsule 3 Pro we see the same performance. Now let's test its microphone. So the sound you're hearing right now is coming from the microphone of Capsule 3 Pro. Both the earbuds are currently in my ears and I'm testing it in a room. So now you tell me, how does it sounds? In my opinion, it produces very good sound with very crispy and sharp vocals, very transparent and good for your calls. Now it's time for my recommendation. I 100% approve and recommend these earbuds. These are the kind of earbuds that you will never regret buying. There was nothing bad in it and I absolutely enjoyed it. And the most special thing about them is that they are transparent, which is really cool and very futuristic, and most importantly my favorite. So here my review ends. Thank you so much for watching my full video. Be in peace. Have a good time. Goodbye.